Hello viewers, welcome back to Tech Handsome video. In this video, I am going to give review about Lenovo Legion G9 gamepad controller. Lenovo is giving its compact powerhouse tablet, the Legion Y700, a serious gaming edge. The company has officially launched the Legion G9 game controller, a modular precision engineered accessory custom built for the Y700, priced at $399 yuan, about $55. The G9 is available now via Lenovo official store, with a more feature-packed G9 Pro version already in the pipeline. The G9 is not your typical snap-on controller. It brings console-grade control elements, the tablet from factory, effectively transforming the Legion Y700 into a handheld gaming console. It uses Hall effect sensor for both the linear or micro switches in the triggers and the dual analog joysticks. These Hall effect components promise greater longevity, better precision and zero drift over time, boosting the life cycle up to 2 million rotations for the joysticks. There are also 4 programmable rear buttons designed for the micro function, ideal for competitive shooters or custom loadouts. RGB lighting with adjustable effects rounds out the gamer aesthetics. While the base G9 already checks a lot of boxes, Lenovo has confirmed that the upcoming G9 Pro will go even further. It will add an audio-based vibration system for more immersive tactile feedback and optical ABXY keys that improve response times and durability. The controller is clearly made to pair with the recently released Legion Y700, a tablet that already feels like a console waiting for a grip, launched last month. The latest Y700 packs an 8.8-inch 3040 x 1904 display with a buttery smooth 165Hz refresh rate, 360Hz touch sampling, 600 nits peak brightness and a 12-bit color support. Under the hood, it runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite with up to 9600 MBs LPDDR5X memory and UFS 4.1 storage. Lenovo has focused heavily on thermal performance, equipping the tablet with a second-generation cooling system that features a 12,000 mm2 vapor chamber and a layered heat dissipation structure. The setup helps maintain temperature below 41 degrees Celsius even during extended gaming sessions. The tablet also includes USB-C ports, a dedicated TF card slot that supports expansion up to 2 TB, and a stereo speaker turned by Dolby Atmos, reflecting its position as a premium gaming device. So viewers, that's all about Lenovo Legion G9 gamepad controller. Hope you enjoyed the full video. Thank you.